So one of my favorite parts as a sales manager using Pipeliner is creating campaigns and sales campaigns that drive our team to have fun and use the system in a way that drives sales. Perfect example of that was our January Super Bowl campaign. And it sounds easy to go out and create something like that, but I couldn't do it without Pipeliner. It's fun. We created a set of rules to get first downs, field goals, touchdowns, and even interceptions for poor performance type metrics. But create a set of rules and a scorecard, easily place that into Pipeliner report where I can pull weekly the scores for our different regional teams and come out at the end with a winner. And we had a very positive result from it. We had what was our best January in 5 years sales-wise. The team had a lot of fun, and it all came out with Super Bowl winning Mactech hats, which sealed the deal.